So how can we communicate effectively when you're already dog-tired from doing shift work? It is really challenging. First of all, it's better to remain silent at the risk of being thought a fool than to talk and remove all doubt of it. And I think that's a good rule of thumb, isn't it? When you're feeling tired and run down and really irritable, that's probably a good time not to say anything when somebody's really upsetting you. How many of you, show of hands, how many of you have sent an email or a text message or said something when you're really angry and regretted it? Yeah. I was reading some research recently, and they were saying 97% of conversations that start bad end bad. So if we're already in a bad place, maybe that's a really good time to take a step back and say, now's not a good time to engage. Another thing that we really need to do when we're really tired and run down is recognise our own emotional baggage and try to leave it at home rather than bring it into the workplace. Whatever that experience might have been, but it's very careful that we keep our work and our personal problems separate and do a bit of work on this stuff as well. And that might mean speaking to a counsellor or a psychologist about your own emotional baggage if you like, rather than actually bringing it to work.